In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile in Microsoft Edge quickly and efficiently. Maybe you have multiple profiles set up on your browser and you're looking to streamline your experience. Or maybe there's an old profile you just don't need anymore. Whatever your reason is, we're going to make this as easy as possible. So let's dive right in. First, open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you have that running, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You're going to see three small dots lined up vertically. That's your menu icon right there. It's like a gateway to all the customization and settings you can imagine in Edge. Click on these three dots and a drop-down menu will appear. The drop-down menu is your handy hub for managing many aspects of your browser. What we're interested in today, though, is the Settings option, which will be visible as you skim down the menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page. Once you're in the Settings page, you'll immediately notice a section titled Profiles right at the top. This is the area where all the magic happens in terms of managing user profiles. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view of how your profiles are set up. Now, under the Profiles section, you'll see a list of profiles that are actively stored on your browser. Each profile will be laid out in a neat list. Over to the right of each profile, you'll notice a little trash bin icon. This trash bin icon is what you're going to use to delete any profile you no longer need. It's as simple as clicking a button. When you're ready, click that trash bin icon. Before proceeding with the deletion, make sure that you've selected the correct profile, as this action cannot be undone. Once clicked, the profile will be removed from your browser. It's a quick and efficient way to clear out any unwanted profiles from Edge. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a profile from Microsoft Edge. This small act of digital tidying can help improve your browsing experience, especially if you're looking to keep things organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video and sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.